So there's always the question about what level of service the reseller wants to provide the local business. Is it a do-it-yourself product or a do-it-for-me product? That's not the right question anymore. The right question is, the right answer is you need to provide all of those services in that entire spectrum of the model. So a small business that has more time than money will use those DIY tools to do it on their own. Whereas a business that is, real business with more money than time is going to want you to do a lot of those services for them. However, there are a group of services that require the input of the business to provide. If somebody asks a business on their social media, are they pet friendly? That really requires the business to participate in that conversation. So as we go along, we're going to see more and more. You have to have all of that spectrum covered. And the ease of use is a factor. A lot of people say, the businesses aren't smart enough, they won't be able to know how to use the product. I think that's not true. I think businesses are super smart. I think they choose the level of service based on how much value they get back. So for instance, I used to have someone book my travel, but no longer. Now it would take me more time to explain my travel options and where I'm going than it would to book on my own. So as the services become that easy to use, you're going to see more and more DIY uptake, and those experts, and it's good for the reseller because they get to move upstream and provide those high value services where the small business needs their expertise and they can charge more for that. So all in all, it's a good thing for everybody to have that full spectrum covered.